Hello, my name is Luis, and I'm going to show my progress on art. And I hope you like it. So this is my first art sketch one, and I just draw a mm, a man, and I also wrote my signature. I'm still practicing my signature socks. So yeah, and moving on. This is my so blurred. Wait. Um this is my second art. Tried to do a mechanical skeleton with a gun while smoking some cigar, and um a goblin, a I don't even know what this is. A human skeleton machine hybrid, and wait, why is so blur? Wait, let the eye of the eye of Cthulhu from Terraria. Moving on. Oh, I forgot about this. There's a story behind this. Somebody um oh no. Um I just drew it. Somebody asked me to draw a female's body. It's relatively uh, good. Moving on. So, um tried to do some line practices like teleporting, said to try to do plankton, got lazy. Some cyclones, a dinosaur. I love dinosaurs when I was a kid. A box with sparkling eyes. Another, I know, I tried to do some sketching and draw this girl with a machine gun, flamingo, and I tried to draw a gun without a reference, but it didn't quite quite good look good. Tried a creature with a, I don't know, light bulb head with a flying, I don't know. And this is my favorite part, a cute little penguin. And moving on, there's not much here. Try to do a comic like when I used to do, like yes, of Stickman. Um, Another dinosaur. I tried to do a anime eye, and um I suck at symmetry, so I just created a scientist and tried to do mm, so wait, it's so blurred. um wait, yeah, let's go. Try to do teeth, and that is my result. And try to do a dress, yeah, I don't know. And try to do hair, like and tried an angry face. Moving on. And also, this was a request by a good friend of mine. It's her name is Sakura Mauto, I guess. Sorry if I butchered that name. And I spent like, I don't know, 2 hours or 3 hours on her drawing. Mm, yeah, looks quite good. Yeah. And um, moving on. Wait a minute. Yeah, try to do some boxes, some triangles, a cartouche, a guy same owner, Hans, um, didn't quite look good. And I tried to do a villager without any reference from my memory. Eh, tried arrow, creepy smiling. A guy shooting a bullet through his hand, and the what is called? Is this called again? A, I forgot about it. And I tried to replicate Wild Rift's gameplay. Yeah. I play Wild Rift, and I was going to create a more detailed um, version of this, but I got lazy. Tried to do a bone anatomy without even looking at the reference. Moving on, and and wait, so wait, I'm blurred. Yeah, we're back. Tried to wait. Yeah, let's go. Tried to do a detailed face. Another anime, Mr. Krabs, Squidward, and I tried to make a anime sideways view, a muscular man, and also um Doc Ock, and there's even a Spider-Man, and we're on sketch 9. Try to do what is this called, creature, but it's just a creature. It says you. You, where's my hand? I don't know what. Yeah, looks cool. Tried to do an anime boy, and wait, I don't even know what this is. Yeah, tried hands, and whoa, that's a good improvement on my hands, and anime anime eyes, and try to do more. Try to do anatomy on the foot. Yeah, it quite needs some work. Yes, some work. There, a hand gripping a ball needs way. Yeah, even more hands, and another detailed face. Um, that one meme from SpongeBob, the man face, and even more practices from Teleporte. This is his half curve practice, and a dog saying, "Let me pet you." Some even more practices on the body. Godzilla from Timo, and moving on. Another anime girl, and some sketches. Another practice from Teleporte. This is called the coin method. That's what I remember. Excuse me. And I tried to do another body. Yes. And I drew a little bit detailed hand. Yeah. And more eyes. Yeah. Guy. More more hands, and a woman, and a thumbs up, and I was going to do a slapping motion, but didn't quite look good. And finally, this is my final sketch. Wait, let me, sketch 14, and I tried to do a woman's anatomy. Didn't quite get the hands right. This is the head. Yeah. And I also censored the feet because I don't know I don't know how to draw the feet. So yeah, it's even said censored. So that's all my sketch from. I think it took me um 2 days or 3 days to do this all, and I have even more paper here to um create even more sketches for the next video. And for those who are wondering why don't I have a sketchbook, because I don't have any budget. And this is also where I draw. Yeah, very comfortable. And yeah, this is my materials. Yeah, and that's my video. Also, I'm going to show my friends. Hey, that's some derivatives. My friends work even when I was grade 11. Wait, where is his work? This is all of his work. It inspired me to create that. I want to improve my art. Even more than bio, math, another math. Where's the art? Oh, here it is. My bad. Sorry for you waiting. This is his Anya work. It's his signature. Handsome Squidward. Even says hashtag mewing. Simpson Bart. But I just called him Bart. And yeah, another a detailed version of that. A scroll. Squidward. Oh, I'm shutting down. Let's make this fast. Plankton with a very detailed muscular look. This is actually my drawing. First time drawing a penguin. Yeah. And puppy playtime, a cat, and that's all. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.